These Stickman videos are going extremely viral right now. You will see these Stickman animations everywhere on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. If we talk about earnings, the RPM in this niche is very high. According to this channel, as you can see on the screen, this is a Stickman animation channel that is currently earning around 11.3 USD per month per 1,000 views. If we analyze their content, they use simple black and white 2D cartoon-style Stickman characters and consistently produce videos in this format. You can clearly see the style of videos on your screen right now. Now, if we talk about their subscribers, they currently have around 10.7 million subscribers, and this is achieved with approximately 4,000 to 5,000 videos. They have uploaded a large number of short-form videos, which is one of the main reasons for their growth. So today, we are going to create Stickman animations as well, and that too using a completely free AI tool. So do not skip this video at any point. Now guys, without wasting any time, I have already prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. This master prompt includes everything according to the channel style, so you don't need to worry at all. You simply have to copy it, the link is available in the description, copy it and come to ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, paste the prompt. Once you paste it, simply click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, ChatGPT will instantly provide you with 10 structured image prompts. These will be scene-wise, including Scene 1 image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover, all the way up to Scene 10. So guys, this video is going to be amazing for you. Make sure you don't skip anything. First, we will generate images. For image generation, the tool we are going to use is called Flow AI, which is one of the best free AI tools available. After opening it, log into your account. Once you are logged in, select the model Nano 2 and choose a 9:16 aspect ratio. Then click on the plus icon. Here, you simply need to take a screenshot of any Stickman character from a channel like the one I showed earlier and upload it as a reference image. After uploading the reference image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into the tool, and click Generate. Repeat the exact same process for all scenes. Just upload the reference image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Do this for every scene, 3rd, 4th, 6th, 7th, all of them. Within a short time, all your images will be ready. As you can see on the screen, all the images are now ready, and our red hoodie Stickman character is fully consistent. Now that our images are ready, the next step is video generation. For video generation, we are again going to use a free AI tool. The tool we are using today is a latest tool, and you will find its link in the description. Open it and go to login. After that, sign up using a temporary email. Copy the email, paste it, enter your name, paste the verification code, and click on Create Account. Once your account is created, you will receive 500 free credits, which we will use to generate videos. Now go to AI Video. After opening it, you will see multiple models. You don't need to worry. Simply select WAN 2.6, then upload your first image. After uploading, go to ChatGPT, copy the first scene video prompt and voiceover, paste it into the tool, and click Generate. Your first video will start generating immediately. Within a short time, it will be ready. Now preview it. As you can see, in just 1 minute, it has generated a complete video with voiceover. It looks absolutely amazing and very professional. In just 5 seconds, a complete animated clip has been created. Now for the next video, repeat the same process. Upload the next image, copy the next voiceover and video prompt, paste it, and click Generate. Your next video will also be ready shortly. I generated some clips in Hindi because Hindi content tends to get more views, but you can also create everything in English if you prefer. As you can see, the next video is also ready, and the scene looks very professional. Repeat the same process for all remaining scenes. If you ever run low on credits, simply reduce the video duration and generate again. Your video will still be created successfully. Now as you can see, the final video is also being generated and will be ready shortly. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. The simple 3 to 4 minute workflow can completely change your journey. Just create a Stickman channel like this, upload consistently, and you will see growth within 1 month. So guys, this is the final result of our video.